something about our today's topic. Today my topic is about our English language class. Dear friends, we know that English is an international language. It has a great importance in modern world. So we should be fluent in English. So that has a great importance of English language class. We are happy that English language class has been formed in our school. Our English teacher, Mr. Abdullah Mahmood, Mr. Asir Hossain, Mr. Jotan Bhaiya, has been working hard to form this class. They will be conducting sessions on the English language. Many students have already joined in this class. We are very interested to learn new things. We will learn many important topics of English language. We will acquire right pronunciation, many vocabularies, and we will be able to apply them in our daily life. We will form the habit of speaking in English. It helps us remove our interest. We hope that we will be fluent in English speaking and writing by practicing in English. That's all for this time being. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Stay well till then. Allah Hafiz.